I just received this package from Twice Sheared Sheep. I met these guys at H&H in Chicago back in May. They sent me a fun little package so I can share with you guys. I'm not quite certain what's all inside, so let's go ahead and take a little peek, shall we? It says, hello friends, thank you for your business, enjoy. You're welcome. Okay, so we got these white envelopes. First up, we have, oh my goodness, these are cute. These are some stitch markers. This blue heart, it's like a yarn ball heart. One in like all these different colors. Oh my goodness. I love this peach one and I always love blue. And then this green one as well. It's nice. She sent me these ones that are crochet stitch markers. They're nice and big, snag free it says. And it's got those clips like that. This company tailors a lot more towards knitters, and so they do have a lot of knitting stitch markers, and I'm glad they sent me these ones because it works better with crochet. Here's another white envelope. Look at this butterfly tin. This is a Notions tin. I can put my stitch markers in there. Okay, it slides like this. It's nice and metal, and it's got the beautiful butterfly on it. Look at that. Next up, we have this snag-free row counter. They're really well known for these row counters. However, I want to see how these are used because I think this works really well for knitters. I'm just not quite sure how it works for crocheters, but maybe I'll play around with this. Yeah, because I'm not quite sure how this works with crochet yet, but maybe it does. Okay, if you guys know, leave a comment below. W and R, I'm not really sure why I got W and R stitch markers. Okay, and here's some more snag-free stitch markers. I think these ones work well for knitters as well, but it's just a nice set of this kind of turquoisey color. I think you'd be able to wrap that around crochet stitches because they're not completely closed rings. So I think that could work. And then here are these kind of cat themed stitch markers. Can you see that? These work really well for knitters as well, but they're the spiral kind, so you kind of like spiral, put them on your yarn. So those work well for crocheters as well. Well, this is adorable. This is a little 1-inch gauge measurer, and then you can also put your hook on there. If you don't know what size your hook is, it kind of measures the size of your hook. It goes all the way from a B, which is a 2.5 millimeter, all the way up to an N, which is a 10 millimeter hook. This is a tin divider. So you place this in here like an X, and then now in my tin, I have 4 different sections to divide. You can get these tins in 2 different sizes. I think this is the larger size. Love that. And then if you have different colored stitch markers or different things that you need to organize, this is for you. Like maybe you want to put needles here in your stitch markers, something like that. I think I'm going to use that a whole heck of a lot. One more thing at the bottom. Ooh, it's nice and big. This is adorable. She knew that I love the color blue. And so, okay, this is I think this is a project journal. Look at those sheep. I don't really know what these look like inside. Okay. It gives you some instructions on there. There's room for like business cards or maybe skein wrappers. Keep a record of each project. Store your swatches, ball bands, and yarn samples. Sketch your design like a pro and set your journal to easel mode like such or something. Oh, I'll have to figure that out. Take a look at this. Here's a page for project details. You put the pattern name, your designer, where you purchased it, when you started it, when you stored it away, and when you finished it, your rating. There's these cute little emojis that you can color in for the rating. And then if you gifted this to anybody, place a photo here, and then what you want to remember about the project. And the back, yarn details. What yarn did you use? What brand, name, weight, colorway, yards, meters, dye lot, and number of skeins used. And then you can punch here to add the yarn samples. And then you can place a swatch of your project in here. So if it's like a garment or something that you've made a swatch of it before you started, keep that in here, add your yarn samples, and that is really fun. In the back, you have different grids. So here's a bunch of pages that have these dot grids. There are also pages that have like the traditional grid, like that. And then included as well are just some transparent pages that you can put paper in or different swatches. There's a folder here in the back There's a folder here, right here, lots of different storage. But this is great for like those scrapbookers out there that just love to keep all the notes. I think I'm gonna be able to use this quite well. And those are all of the fun things that I received from Twice Sheared Sheep. All of these projects were gifted to me by Twice Sheared Sheep. They're not necessarily paying me for this video, but I do have affiliate links down below to the products. I hope that you love them. Have you ever used these before? Let me know. I'm really excited to get to know Twice Sheared Sheep. They are really passionate about making knitting, crocheting easier and not harder. Please give this video a thumbs up so that more people can find this video. If you like yarn related content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you're notified anytime I release any new videos. I like to do unboxing videos like this, video tutorials, interviews, things like that. Also, please leave a comment with what are your favorite tools so I can check them out. Mwah! Happy crocheting!